Good afternoon, children. Today I am going to teach you future tense. So everyone open chapter 15. Simple, continuous, perfect, perfect, continuous. Here it is given future tense. Read the sentences given below. Example: A. Neha will go for a picnic tomorrow. B. The bus will leave for Chandigarh soon. C. My parents will attend the function tomorrow. So children, you all will see here in A, B, C the bold word given in black color, so that it will indicate that these kind of sentences is future tense, like will go, will leave, will attend. Means here in all sentences given will, it means it is indicate future tense. So now you understood. If you can see will in your sentence, then you can easily recognize these kind of tenses is called future tense. So come on, number 1, simple future tense. Here it is given example: Laura will buy a new dress for the party. So here after subject what you will see? Will, and then verb is buy. So it means you always include will. So what is the structure of the simple future? Subject plus will plus verb first form and plus object. Like this you can do all the exercises also. A, like fill in the blanks with appropriate form of the verb in the simple future tense. So like in bracket given make, so you will write will make. Reduce, will reduce, like this. Now children, come on, page number 79. Here in negative sentences you will use I shall not or he will not. Means shall not and will not. So what is the sentence? You can structure of sentence: first subject, then shall not, then verb first form, and then object. Like this all example given you can see. Here one thing you will notice, along with I and we you will use shall, and rest all noun or pronoun you will use will. Like this yes no question, so that will and shall will come before, and then all the sentence will be complete, like will first, and then subject, and then main verb first form, and then object, and at last you will put question mark. So exercise B also children, like this: rewrite the following in negative and interrogative forms in the simple future tense. You have to note down on your fair notebook and send to me when you will complete children. Now come on, future continuous tense. Here continuous you will see like this: will be performing. It means you will add after will be, like this: shall, then be. So first subject, then will be or shall be, then verb first form, then ing, and then object, after that full stop. Now children, come on, exercise C. You have to do rewrite the following verbs given in the bracket in the future continuous. So what is given in bracket? No, what verb? You have to change this verb into future continuous. So you will add ing, and before verb helping verb will be or shall be. You have to add, like it. So what about it? It is a subject, no? So here it is not given I or we. So what you will put? Shall, will be. And then snowing. It will be snowing heavily in Shimla during winter. Like next you can see the birds it is given. So here also will be migrating. Like this 3 and 4 you will fill. And interrogative what you will do children? Subject plus shall not be or will not be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Like this you can do here. Interrogative also: first will or shall will become, then after subject, then be, then verb first form plus ing, then object, and then last question mark. Now children, come on, future perfect tense. Here like all perfect tense you can see, no, one common word: have or has or had. So here it is given have because it is a future. So you will use here subject plus will have plus verb third form plus subject object plus full stop. So what is the structure of sentence? Note it down, children. Subject plus will have plus verb third form plus object and last full stop. Like this you can see here. Exercise E. Turn the pages, children. Rewrite the following sentences in negative. So what you will do in negative interrogative, like I have told here, it is given on page number 80. Like this formula you can use here to complete this exercise E. Now everyone see here, future tense table given. You have to learn very nicely. Simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense. So if you will change like this first sentence, and that is I will sing. So here what you will do, I will be singing, I will have sung. Like this you all see the table very properly, and then you can understand how you will change simple future tense, future continuous tense and future perfect tense. Come on, future perfect continuous tense. Here you have to add been also, like will have been, shall have been. So what is the structure? Subject plus will have been plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Everyone turn the page. Here all the exercises given, page number 82 and page number 83. As much as you can complete, children, do it.